How's it going, everyone? My name is Filippo Pezzino and I'm the photographer and video maker for Savage.
Today we're gonna be looking at Luts. So how do you do this? You go in Lumetric color and hit that browse button. Now we're gonna go into our cinematic Luts. Here you're going down your file system, and here I'd say this one. Okay, so you can see a huge difference already. See, bang. Now let's go on our second clip. Looks pretty bland like this. Do the same process, Lumetric color, browse, find the LUT you want, and let's go with 15 here. And presto. Look at the difference a simple click can make. Now, if you really want to add those finer details, we're gonna go add a little, I don't know, remove a little contrast. I don't know. Let's mess around with these sliders a bit and figure out just how much we want to tweak it. So you can still micro adjust your video, but the LUT makes this huge difference already. Same here. Let's, I don't know, raise the blacks a bit, drop the whites. See, give it a more cinematic, really contrasted look. Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Okay, so simple as that. That's how it works. Have a good one.